Here, we observe a modern mother in her natural habitat. She's mid-sip of a reheated coffee, her third of the day. There's a half-folded pile of laundry beside her that's been in progress since Tuesday. But for a moment, peace. Then it strikes. The doorbell. It could mean anything: a solicitor, a neighbor, a clipboard. She doesn't take any chances. But wait, using her new Blink video doorbell, she confirms, just a package, no human interaction required. A victory, a win for introverted moms everywhere, and another moment of peace. Brought to you by Blink. Get more at your door.